You clicked on this video for a reason. Somewhere deep down, you feel like you've lost touch with your softness, your magnetism, that feminine energy that used to feel natural or that you've never really known how to tap into. In this video, I'm going to share 7 habits that slowly destroy your femininity, not to shame you, but to help you get it back. As we go through these, don't attack yourself. Just notice the 1 or 2 that hit the hardest and decide, okay, this is the habit I'm done with. This is where my glow up starts. Abandoning your hobbies and passions to revolve around someone else. This one is sneaky because it feels like love at first. At first, it feels romantic, supportive, loyal. Then one day you wake up and realize you don't really know who you are without them. When you drop your passions, your goals, your routines, and your identity just to orbit around someone else, your femininity shrinks. Your glow fades because your life becomes smaller than it's meant to be. Go back to the things that made you feel alive. Your hobbies, your passions, your creativity, your routines, your identity, your me time. Comparing yourself to every girl online. You open up your phone just to check something, and suddenly you're 20 profiles deep into full comparison mode. That constant comparison puts you in lack energy, and femininity thrives in self-acceptance, authenticity, beauty, compassion, fierce, sensual, not self-attack. Every time you compare, you step out of your lane and abandon your own journey. Your femininity grows when you stop competing with every girl online and start actually living your life. Here's how to fix it. Unfollow accounts that trigger insecurity and replace them with women who inspire growth and not comparison. Never accepting compliments. Every time you swap away a compliment, you teach yourself, I don't deserve to be seen this way. Someone says you look beautiful or that they appreciate you, and you reject it like it's a threat. But femininity is rooted in receiving. Receiving admiration, affection, support, and presence. If you can't receive something as small as a compliment, how are you going to receive something that is big, like love, care, abundance? Also, the more you reject compliments and say, oh no, stop, I'm ugly, people will start seeing you as ugly, and you do not want that to happen, right? Let them compliment you. Let it soften you. You are worthy, you are beautiful, you are talented, you are appreciated. Let them compliment you and say thank you. Chasing people who are clearly not interested in you. You reach out first, you try harder, you overgive, you over-apologize, trying to earn attention that should be given freely. And honestly, girl, you're giving clown and desperate energy. Not because you're desperate, but because you're chasing someone who isn't choosing you. That drains your feminine energy instantly. It puts you in masculine pursuit mode and destroys your emotional stability. Here's what you want to do. Match their effort. Don't give any more or don't give any less. Just match their effort. If someone isn't choosing you wholeheartedly, step back. Gossiping as your main social bonding tool. If we took gossiping out of your friend group, how much would there be left to talk about? Gossip keeps your nervous system in drama and comparison. It's a negative, low vibration and slowly chips away at your softness. And deep down, women who gossip a lot usually fear being judged the same way, so they stay in attack mode instead of vulnerability. Here's the fix. Build friendships based on depth, ideas, growth, experiences, not tearing other women down, refusing help with everything to prove you're independent. You want to be the I got it girl, the girl who never needs anything, never asks for help, never lets anyone support her, but constantly being the I got it girl pushes you into burnout and not femininity, and it puts you into masculine energy. It hardens you, it exhausts you. Femininity thrives when you allow support instead of rejecting it. Fix it with this. Let someone help you carry something. Let someone open up the door for you. Let someone show up for you. Over texting. Look, if you're always texting first, double texting, or constantly looking at your phone to see if he texted you, your emotions are being controlled by someone else's little gray speech bubbles waiting to be popped up. You can't feel soft or grounded when you're anxiously waiting for a reply. Chasing validation pulls you out of feminine energy and straight into anxious masculine pursuit. Here's what you need to do. If you already sent the message, stop, lean back, and let people initiate sometimes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.